Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a Twitter profile update failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter profile update failed, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. When you will see this page, you will click here and you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page, you will go to storage. When you will see this page here, you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.